Kim just pulled up to me and said either there's a swarm out here in this honeysuckle, or it might be my hive that swarmed. So I got to get a box together and go get these guys. I should say go get these gals. Well, there they are. That is a pretty good sized swarm. I better get my box together and get ready to do this.
I was taking my granddaughter for a mule ride around the property. And hold on, baby. Me and her found, I don't know if you can see, a swarm right there in that honeysuckle tree. Uh-oh.
You don't have to video from that far away. You can come to the front of my truck at least. Hi, baby.
Hi, Papa. Say hi,
Are you
Papa.
driving? They're marching on in there. I fortunately had a Deep with all new frames. So I took 4 out, put them in the front seat of my truck. Got 1 sting out of it. Turn it around for you. The bees from my fire hive body over there, that one closest to us doesn't have anything in it. But those bees have all been a whole lot darker in color than this swarm here. Well, it's another day. Just got home from work, getting ready to mow, and I look out here in the yard. Let me show you what I see. So I thought the swarm I got the other day had swarmed again, but that's not the case. They're all in their hive. So I checked my other hive. If it swarmed, it had too many bees. That hive is also very active. So I gotta see if I can set up a 3rd box and get these guys. They are very calm. But I do not know for sure how I'm going to shake them off of this plum tree. It's really rigid. I got to come up with something. Well, that's 2 swarms within 3 days. When I saw that one, I thought for sure that it was the same one that I had caught the day before. And when I went to that hive, all the bees from the other swarm, they're in there. I went and checked my hive. They're there. So this was another swarm that I had told my old boss. I gave him I think I gave him a deep and 10 frames, bottom board, top board. And I told him that if I got a swarm this year, I would give him a swarm to get started. And so the first one I got, I thought, well, this one I'm going to hold on to because I lost one colony last year. Then turn around, this other one was there, so, and they're still there today. Everybody looks happy. So I am gonna try to just close that box up tight either this evening or early tomorrow morning, and take those bees to him. He's got some walnut logs he wants to give me, so pretty good trade. So other than that, I'm waiting on a guy to come by a maple slab. As usual, it's windy up here on the hill. But I'm gonna get ready for him and go get this video done so I can get it out to you guys. Thanks for watching, appreciate you. Cross our fingers that Kim will get in the mood to do something for you guys. Some of you know her dad passed away last July, and she's just, I don't know if it's because she was in the garden and she feels like that if she'd have been in the house, he wouldn't have passed away, but he passed away in the middle of the night. So say a prayer for her that she'll get excited and start shooting you all some videos. Thanks. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you do, and just please share. And as always, I'll try to do better on getting more content out there. So thanks guys, and guarantee you'll see me soon.